In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for journaling prompts. I start by asking for a simple, structured journaling system designed for a busy professional that only takes about 15 minutes a day. ChatGPT provides a comprehensive framework including quick check-ins, daily reflections, and a mindset reset to help me stay grounded without feeling overwhelmed. It also suggests a weekly rotation with different themes like clarity and growth so the prompts stay fresh and engaging every single day. Next, I want more variety, so I ask for 15 specific prompts divided into morning, midday, and evening categories to help me stay intentional throughout my entire workday. The AI generates a series of thoughtful questions that help me focus on my priorities in the morning and wind down effectively before bed. These are perfect for quick check-ins that keep me productive and mindful of my stress levels as I transition through different parts of my day. Now, I want to target specific areas of growth, so I ask for prompts organized by goals like building confidence, managing anxiety, and improving productivity. ChatGPT breaks these down into clear headings, offering actionable reflections like celebrating small wins or identifying what's truly within my control. This goal-oriented approach makes it easy to choose a prompt based on exactly what I need to focus on at the moment. Finally, I request a complete 7-day journaling plan that guides me through a full week of self-reflection with a different focus for each day. The result is a beginner-friendly schedule that includes a motivational note to start each session and simple questions to keep the habit consistent. This step-by-step plan takes the guesswork out of journaling and helps me build a meaningful practice one day at a time without ever feeling stuck. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.